Okay, the first biomolecule that we will do is the nucleic acids. The building block for nucleic acid is a nucleotide. So the nucleic acids, which are DNA and RNA, are called as polynucleotides. Just as the complex carbohydrates are polysaccharides, the proteins are polypeptides. Right now, so DNA, RNA are called as polynucleotides. So polynucleotides, polypeptides, and polysaccharides, they will form the true macromolecular fraction. What is missing out from here? Lipids. क्या पढ़ा था लिपिड? Lipids are strictly not macromolecules. Size के हिसाब से they are micro. But when we perform the chemical analysis, they are retained, retentate पे मिलते हैं because of that vesicle formation thing we did last time. Okay. Now before we go on to the structure of a nucleic acid, it is essential that we know what is a nucleotide. ठीक है? Now a nucleotide is made up of three parts. Three chemically distinct components. We have a sugar, a nitrogen base, which is a heterocyclic compound, and third is a phosphate, which is nothing but phosphoric acid. So now do you understand why deoxyribonucleic acid? So the acid wala part is coming from the phosphate group. The acidic nature यहाँ से आता है. Okay. Now first is sugar. Now sugar, which is a monosaccharide, that means it's a monomer. It's a very simple carbohydrate.